Finding Your Loved One's Treasures, a gentle guide for the helper. Hello. If you have been asked to help take care of a loved one's belongings and savings after they pass away, you are doing a wonderful, loving thing. In Texas, this special helper is called, Executor. Your main job is just like being a gentle detective. You are looking for all the pieces of their life's puzzle, like their house, their bank accounts, and their special belongings, so they can be safely passed on to the family. Let's look at a few simple steps to help you find everything, one day at a time. Step 1. Finding the keys. Sometimes, our loved ones keep important papers in a safe box at the bank. If you find a bank key, a special Texas law says the bank can let you look inside. You can't take jewelry or cash yet, but you can look for their will and important insurance papers. Step 2. Asking the taxman. The government keeping track of taxes can actually help us. You or a friendly helper can ask the tax office for a list of your loved one's past paperwork. This list acts like a map, showing us exactly which banks they used and if they had any savings account. Step 3. Checking the mail. One of the best ways to find things is simply watching the mailbox. You can ask the post office to send their mail to you. Over a few months, letters from banks, insurance companies, or even utility companies will arrive, telling you exactly where things are. Step 4. Looking around the home. A quiet walk through their home can reveal a lot. Look in desk drawers or filing cabinets for handwritten notebooks, lists of passwords, or old checkbooks. If you find a random key, it might belong to a local storage unit, so keep an eye out for storage receipts too. Step 5. Special Texas treasures. In Texas, people sometimes own a piece of land, a ranch, or even rights to oil under the ground. Look through their old papers for things called division orders or royalty checks. If they had a ranch, remember to check on things like livestock brands and local land taxes. Step 6. The Free State Search. Finally, Texas has a special, safe website called ClaimItTexas.gov. Sometimes, banks lose touch with people and send old funds to the state for safekeeping. You can search your loved one's name for free, and the state will give it back to the family. You don't have to do this all in one day. Take a deep breath, go slowly, and remember that it is okay to ask a helpful lawyer or a trusted friend for assistance whenever you need it. Take a deep breath, go slowly, and remember that it is okay to ask a helpful lawyer or a trusted friend for assistance whenever you need it. You are doing a beautiful job. Remember that it is okay to ask a helpful lawyer or a trusted friend for assistance whenever you need it. You are doing a beautiful job. Thank you for being a wonderful, loving helper.